Ay, muffler. ¡Ah, su madre! ¡Pesas, pinche cuate! El cuate. Yeah, cuate.
Hell yeah, dog. You see that? No fat chicks, bro.
Not in the driveway. Su madre. Temps are still good, so straight.
No fat chicks, baby.
So how much throttle? I don't know, just pretty much all of it. Just gotta see where we're at and boost. Suspension ain't that great. They look pretty good from what I can tell. You gotta hold it. 12 is what I seen. You gotta hold it and boost a little bit. 12, 2 or 3, somewhere around there.
¿Dónde me doy la vuelta?
Right here at the church. Chingado, madre, güey.
Sale.
Good on this side.
Third gear pull. What up, Mama? Fuck that.
Need more fuel still. Dead?
Yeah. I don't think we'll find out. Yeah, guys, welcome to Mexico. Woo woo.
11.5. That's good. Safe.
Se pagó, though.
No way, it's not up. Alright, something's wrong. Something's wrong. Where's the gear? Wait. No, this is not the gear. Something's wrong. That cable probably. That's what I was doing earlier. Turn it off, cut it back on. Ah, hell no. We don't broke down. We don't broke down.
Can you go release reverse?
We don't broke down, bro. Your hazards on. There's car coming.
Try and get it out the way. Pero no, ni eso.
You vale madre, güey. Get out, fucking push the bitch. Hijo de su madre. Wait, a blue coupler or a fucking plug from this.
I think it's a coupler. That's what I'm thinking.
We broke down, guys. We broke down to Mexico, bro. It's scary out here.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
Mass airflow disconnect.
Fucking mass airflow, bro. Why it's always had to be a mass airflow? It's broken like mine. It's all fucking loose and shit.
It's loose, but it's missing the motor. Rev it up there. I got a bunch of fuel in it.
Alright, we back, boys. We back. She's alive.
AFRs are good. I'm
Go this way.
What the God?
Ay, caliente, güey.
motherfucker hot.
Uy.
Only got a heavy foot, alright. Motherfuckers hold on.
Puta madre.
I didn't see the air fuel ratio.
Alright, I'll look at air fuel.
Great. Motherfucker got torque steer, dude. He needs a damn alignment. You feel that shit?
It's burning, huh?
A little bit.
It's going like this. Torque in the rear end. Needs more boost.
So what was it at? 8?
8 pounds. Yeah.
So every click is a pound.
Yeah, about.
Yeah, I think it's spinning a little bit now.
I don't know, but that motherfucker pulling. Not that much.
This glitch.
No, the tires might be spinning.
No, you can feel the difference. For sure. I got scared a little bit.
Yo que no tengo seatbelt ni nada.
Tú todavía más,
Yeah, bro, shit.
Motherfucker almost shit himself.
Thing is shorty, bro. I have to check my pants.
Turn it up some more.
So what, 3 more
Turn
clicks?
it up some more. It was 12 pounds. Nah, fuck that. We'll do about 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sabor.
That put him at like 14 pounds.
You made
That's
it
good.
What?
8, dude.
Pounds?
Oh, so that's good.
It got a little squirrely, bro. You're getting squirrely, bro.
Boy.
And Ronnie got heavy foot, son.
I know, man. But that bitch was like, you need an army, bitch.
I know. Shit.
God damn.
You got scared?
You got my heartbeat.
Almost
Just a little bit.
Almost shorted, boy.
I don't have no seatbelt over there, bro.
This is Mexico, yo.
I'm broke, man.
We're in Sinaloa.
Alright, give me a like.
Oh, welcome to Michoacan.
Here on top. Yeah. See how squirrely it is now.
Okay, I'm going this time. Hell yeah. Gonna go.
I think it just put. You see the air fuel ratio?
Yeah, it was at like 12.
That motherfucker
12
was
something. I didn't get all the way in.
It wasn't that bad though.
No, I let off way.
Oh, you let it off, dude. That shit was just barely picking up. Alright. That's pretty good.
11.9.
11.9? Yeah. This is good too.
What the boost hit?
I don't know.
Fuck, Jose.
I was looking at this nigga so I could see if I had to adjust the fuel.
Alright.
Yeah, it's right at, it was like 13 or 14. Boy, that motherfucker pool was pretty damn good.
Yeah, robarle un poquito para Marco. Marco ain't ready for the shit.
You ain't ready for it, bro.
Harder in second gear.
Damn.
That shit was spinning, dude. That shit was spinning. That shit went straight to red line.
Shit. I thought shit on myself. That shit pulls hard as fuck, bro.
That shit.
Yeah, son. Keep fucking. You know, she fucking squatting, dude. When y'all pulled off here, that shit went whoo. The rear is squatting, which is good, I guess.
Well, that's because you had me,
It's good, temperature good. Got some good tires, son.
Get on the third gear.
What you got here? VFGs, no? They're decent. That's probably why I don't spend that much. Yeah, VFGs, the G-forces. That's why it hooked pretty good. We done made it back to Mexico. I mean to the U.S., son. We ain't in Mexico no more. But they probably can't even see me, but y'all can hear me. This thing fucking gets up and goes. That's all I can say. It gets down. It gets down for sure. It gets down, and then it's ready for some track. Take it to the drag. See what kind of times it's making. That's when it really comes out. See what kind of time she makes. But that's good. But anyways, that's probably gonna be it for this video. I might include some powder coating I'm gonna be doing here in a little bit, maybe. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe if y'all like that content, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Deuce.